Hello and welcome, and this is my first video on YouTube, and this is going to be on LinkedIn. So, what is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a social media platform for businesses and professionals to grow their business, prove their social presence, and network with other people. So, what is the benefit for students in this regard? So, for students, this platform can be a great success as it can help you connect with people with whom you were like dreaming to connect with. For example, with professionals, with HRs of different companies and different platforms. So, what does LinkedIn provide to students? On LinkedIn, you can network with any person in the world that you are interested. You can follow any company you are interested to know and get the idea about. So, network. You can also network among yourselves, like for with your seniors, juniors, teachers, your different interests and interested persons. So, on LinkedIn, you can make your personal brand. Personal brand means that you can showcase your skills, you can show your experience and achievements to this platform. For example, you are a graphic designer and you want to showcase that, yeah, I am a good designer and I can do this. So you can show it on your platform, your profile on LinkedIn, and it will be like your digital resume or CV, you can say. So, in this video, we'll talk about introduction and account setup. So, as an introduction, I was giving you some benefits and some ideas about LinkedIn and what is it about. So, another news is for you is that you can search for job from here. It can be remote, it can be like on site, and it can be hybrid. But yeah, many companies look for the LinkedIn profiles of internees or the persons they want to hire. For example, if Google or Microsoft wants to hire some person, they will basically look into their LinkedIn profile, and if you don't have, that's the somehow ops moment, because it's the basic requirement of today. So on LinkedIn, it's not about getting a job, showcasing your skills. It is also great for the persons who are not having any development, because they can learn very new things, very informative things on LinkedIn professional development platform like LinkedIn Learning. On LinkedIn Learning, you can learn almost every technical concepts, every soft skill that you can even imagine or want to learn about it. So it's that easy to get into LinkedIn and network with some other persons and be the cool person. So get starting with it. As we have discussed the introduction and their benefits, the benefits of LinkedIn, so we can now get into other question, that is setup. Yeah, it's somehow difficult because sometimes you want to click on something and sign up with some account, and it's not that easy. As a student, I used to have the problem that how to do this, how to make the point of having the broader vision and having the basic setup. So I'll guide you in this setup. So first thing first, how to do this setup. I will show you how to make LinkedIn profile in 2 minutes. Starting with the sign up process, open any browser, write sign up LinkedIn, and open the LinkedIn sign up page from here. Enter your email, or you can sign in with Google. So as I forget almost everything, every password, so I'm signing up with Google. Continue with Google, add, or you may write your email and password. So continue with Google. I have selected my email I want to use. I have confirmed that I want to sign in on LinkedIn. So then the dialog box opens where it is said that enter password. So I already have an account, and it is a demo account, so I am entering password as the Google suggested me. You may add your own password and save it. Agree and join. Yeah, it's joining, it's processing, and hooray, we have created the account. And then it's a security check that yeah, we are humans, not robots. I don't know why robots should do this type of activity, or maybe creating LinkedIn account. So by the way, verify, yeah, we have shown that yeah, our eyesights work correctly. So we it is proved that we are humans. That's good. So it's joining us, and taking us to the main LinkedIn page. So while making this account, I encountered some error that when I was adding the region information, it was like no, it is not saved. So here you can add your city, district, and select next. If it is getting selected, good to go. But if it is not, you can take some time, or maybe go to other tab and open LinkedIn again. So I opened LinkedIn again, and it all the time asked me about the region, but I opened the third tab because no worries, we will move to third tab. And then third tab, there was the LinkedIn window.